Part 7, Building Trust, Not Just Tools. If Part 6 focused on redefining roles around AI, Part 7 highlights AI transformation doesn't fail because of bad tech. It fails when trust isn't intentionally engineered into systems, making transparency, accountability, and explainability the true foundations of adoption. AI transformation doesn't fail because of bad tools. It fails because of missing trust. We've seen firms invest in platforms, launch PoCs that run for 12 months and still not in production, hire heads of AI or innovation. But when adoption stalls, it's rarely the tech, it's the trust gap. Trust isn't built by declaring human in the loop, it's built by design. That means knowing how the model works, seeing how it's changing, understanding when it errs, defining who's accountable when it does. In short, trust requires transparency, not just traction. Engineered trust provides a defensive shield, embedding deterrence directly into the compliance architecture and safeguarding operational integrity. Some still think trust comes after performance, but in compliance, where risk is asymmetrical, trust must come first. Because if the system isn't believed, it won't be used. And if it's not used, its potential doesn't matter. So how do you build trust into AI? Make decisions traceable. Make escalations explainable. Audit outputs like you audit people. Map roles around accountability, not just coverage. And most of all, create governance that reflects real-world use, not just policy checkboxes. Here's what we've learned from working in FCC. AI doesn't break trust, people do, when they implement it badly. Because if you treat AI like a vendor tool, you'll get vendor-level trust. But if you treat it like a colleague, subject to standards, feedback, and escalation, you start to build something sustainable. This isn't about innovation. It's about institutional trustworthiness in a machine-led age. What would your compliance strategy look like if trust wasn't assumed, but engineered? What if your AI didn't just pass tests, but earned belief? Next up, Part 8, Regulators as Intelligent Orchestrators, Evolving from Rules to Trust. If this part showed why trust must be engineered, the next part highlights the key player who can break the deadlock,